Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to fix Microsoft Excel not responding. If your Microsoft Excel is not responding, here's what you're going to do. First is wait. Sometimes Excel can become unresponsive temporarily, especially if it's processing a large task. Wait for a few minutes to see if it becomes responsive again. Then, if Excel remains unresponsive, open the Task Manager. Just go to your keyboard and type Control Shift Escape on Windows or Command Option Escape on your MacBook. And locate Excel in the list of running application. End the task or force quit it. You can also restart Excel. So just close your Excel and reopen it. Sometimes this simple step can resolve the issue. Make sure you have the latest updates and patches for your Microsoft Excel. If not, update your Excel. Outdated software can sometimes lead to unresponsiveness. And also, third-party add-ins can cause Excel to become unresponsive. So just disable them one by one to identify the problematic one. You can also go to safe mode. Launch Excel in safe mode, which disabled add-ins and customization. This can help determine if an add-in is causing the issue. If a specific file is causing Excel to freeze, try opening other files. If they work, the problematic file might be corrupted. Try recovering it using Excel's recovery option. And that's how to fix Microsoft Excel not responding. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.